Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we created a class with default constructor, then we created a function interface and a method which returns a object type, and that's the object type here. And then I tried to call this constructor by using a lambda expression, and this is the implementation of this samp method, and here it is called. So calling is happening on line 20 and implementation is right on line 19. So whenever we call sampleable.samp, it calls this implementation and then creates the object from here. Okay, great. So it's happening, but this is not the agenda, right? We have to look out for constructor reference. So now we know constructor reference something. Now we have idea of what we are doing here. Let's improve this code. Let's have it. Okay, I'm not going to remove this code by the way. Let's have one more sys out just for separated like we always do. Okay, now let's have the reference again of sampleable type. Sampleable, let's call sampleable 2. This time I won't go for this lambda expression, right? And we already know we need to have two things. First of all, you should have double colon operator and use new keyword. So class name and colon, double colon and the new keyword. So class name is sample. There goes sample, then double colon and call the new and semicolon. And see, as of now, no red line, everything looks good. And then what? Call the method, which gives the call and get the reference. So sampleable2 dot method name is samp. And guess what? It's done. Instead of writing this lambda expression, which again of course it's a good thing because it reduces lots of code and gives you a concise code even if you don't want to do that, and your method just returns object type. So why we to waste this kind of implementation? Just use constructor reference, and if I run this code, we are getting default constructor again. So that's how you can use constructor reference with the class. If I call this method multiple times, 3 times I've called it, and if I execute this code again, so we are getting this message 3 times. So 3 times new objects gets created. So this is how we call constructor of any class by using constructor reference concept. In next video, we will write some more code and try to understand if we have argumented constructor, right? What we have argumented constructor. So we will try with default, argumented, and then both as well. So till then, stay tuned, guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye.